Hi everybody, Micheline from Micheline Makes again. This video is going to have little short snippets here and there, and we're going to start with an apology. I have to apologise to Angela because Angela messaged me last January 2021, I think it was, and sent me some pictures of some quilts that she made. And I said, oh, can I put them up on my vlogs? And she said, yes, you can. And guess who forgot? Completely forgot. And it wasn't until she mentioned it the other week. She said, you never put those up. And I thought, oh my goodness me, I've forgotten to. So Angela, I'm so sorry about that. I completely forgot. What happened was, recently I've been getting so many messages from people. I started forming a little folder, and I went back on all my emails and put them all into the folder. But I didn't put yours in, did I, Angela? So I have got pictures to show you of Angela's quilts that she made. Absolutely wonderful. And she messaged me the other day on Instagram, and when she messaged me, I saw that she had a lot more. So I'm going to upload and show you some more of Angela's quilts. They are absolutely wonderful. Now, I know a lot of you are quilt makers, and you will, so if you have some quilts you want me to show you, I will happily do a little cameo video part showing what you make. So here are Angela's quilts. Oh, and the other thing was that at the time, Angela said they had a lot of snow. And because I'm not sure if we had any snow last year, but she was saying that she had a lot of snow where she lives. So she also attached a photo of the snow. So here is a picture of the snow, and here is a picture of the lovely quilts that she's made. Well, since my last conversation, which you had back there, I have been for my flu vaccine, and it's now evening and night time, and his lordship, it's a Thursday when his lordship goes to babysit, so I've been on my own all day. Anyway, the next bit is 2 things about teddy bears. And the first thing is a link to a lady's website that I've talked to you about before, and she offers free patterns. She makes some fantastic children's toys, and it's a lady who has a vlog called Pay It Forward. She's Australian, and she has recently uploaded a vlog about a bear, and it's called a memory bear, patchwork bear, and she gives you a free pattern for it. Now, I think that seeing it's almost kind of, what date is it? It's 21st of October. If you have time and you want to make a little bear for one of your grandchildren or one of your children, if you're young enough to have children, then this is a great pattern to download, and it's free. You don't have to pay for it. And basically, the memory bear is you use children's clothes, any of their old cast-offs, so they've got some memory of the clothes that they wore when they were younger. Or you could even do something with granddad's clothes if granddad's passed away, or even before granddad does pass away, or grandma. If they've got a soft spot for someone, you could maybe make a teddy bear out of those clothes for them so that they can always remember them by. My grandchildren used to love it when I went down to stop with them, because I always wear the same perfume. I think I've told you this story before, but I always wear the same perfume, and it is called Nina Ricci. It's two birds on the top, 2 birds like that. Nina Ricci, I'll put whatever it is there. Anyway, the nice thing about that is every time I go away, they used to say, Grandma, we love to go into the bedroom where you sleep because we can smell your perfume on the pillows. And they can smell it for at least a few days till Mummy takes it off and washes it. And they insist, Mummy, don't take the pillow away until it's faded. So you could make a memory bear from the clothes, any clothes that you've got that the children remember you by, or any clothes that they can remember Grandad by. So it's a good idea. So I'm going to put the link there. It's there. The link should be up there to Pay It Forward's website, and well worth looking at. And now we're going to another story about a teddy bear. This is my son's Super Ted. And this little boy here, this little boy here is almost as old as my son. Yes, you are. You're almost as old as my son. Did you know that you were as old as my son? You did. Well, you were made... Do you want to tell me who you were made by? Grandma Dusart. That's my mummy? Were you made by my mummy? And were you made by my mummy as a special present for my son? Well, fancy that. But you know, Super Ted's come to me because he's got a problem, haven't you? What's your problem? What's your problem, Super Ted? Is it this arm? This arm's got a problem. Oh, look at that, you see? Super Ted's soldier? It's not a soldier. Super Ted's shoulder is coming away. So your daddy, your little friend Daddy, who my mummy gave you to, he gave you to his little boy, didn't he? Yes, he did. And so his little boy said, Grandma, can you fix Super Ted's shoulder? And so when I was at their house, they gave you to me, didn't they? But it's only for a short while. It's not for all the time, isn't it not? No, because I'm going to fix your shoulder. And then on Monday, your mummy and daddy, well, your daddy and your daddy's little boy, as well as daddy's wife, yes, Catherine. Yes, as well as Daddy's one. Yes, he's married. Did you not know that? You did. You did. You knew that. You knew that your daddy was married to Catherine, didn't you? Yes. Well, anyway, they're going to come on Monday, and so I'm fixing you so you can go back with them when they go away. Is that good? Well, that's excellent. So, shall we tell them a little secret about how you were made? Yes? Should I tell them? Right, I'll tell them the secret. Well, he was made from a pattern that was in a magazine, weren't you? And not only that, we still have the pattern, don't we? So, we should let everybody else see if they want a pattern of Super Ted so that they can make a pattern like you for their little boys, should we? That's a good idea. So where shall we tell them to look? All right. You've got to look down below this video, and where it says show more, it'll tell you there's a link, and the link will take you to the pattern, and you can download the pattern. What? Well, I think I know how to do that. Let's keep our fingers crossed, should we? Can you keep your fingers crossed? You haven't got any fingers, have you? Let's cross your arms then. We'll keep your arms crossed and hope that we'll be able to get that pattern for people to download if they want it, eh? Would that be a good idea? Eh, would it be a good idea? Yes. So, should we say goodbye to everybody and then I'll start finishing off your shoulder, will I? Going to wave to them? Yes. Bye, everybody. See you next time. We're going to love them and leave them and catch you next time.